Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would sincerely appreciate it. Leave a comment, if you will. Give me that little like. It shows interaction, and it helps my videos do better. And I'm a small channel, and I'm grateful for everybody that comes by. And if you could just do that for me, that would be super cool. Next up, besides my self-promotion, we have a Boxycharm Premium. And it's heavy. I think it's going to have some good stuff in it. And this is for January 2023. And this is like about 40 bucks with the shipping. I better keep that out. And it looks like this. Here's the card. Here's what this looks like. Ooh. Looks like there's some interesting things in here. And I chose some of the things. I think. I know I chose some things. I think I chose two things and I can't remember what they are. But I'll figure it out as we go. I'm going to use my glasses because the print is kind of small this month. And plus, I look like a sexy librarian. First off, the first thing I see is from Huda Beauty. And this is an older lippy. And this is Huda Beauty, not Huda Beauty. Liquid matte lipstick. This iconic game-changing liquid matte lipstick in a comfortable weightless formula. Easy to apply, velvety and vibrant. Keeps lips supple with max color payoff for 8 hours. $21. Oh, I need to keep track of how much this box is worth. So many things to do. 21. And this is in a really pretty red called Alluring. And I got this a long time ago in, I want to say, a Allure box. But this is not a new color at all. I mean, a lot of the stuff we get in these boxes aren't, you know, brand new. Some things have been around for a while. But that's definitely not anything new. Next up, I have from Hyde. It is a foundation. It's a premium foundation. And this perfect liquid foundation achieves a perfect natural look with a soft matte foundation that easily builds to medium to full coverage. Custom oil-free formula is made to resist sweat and won't clog your pores. 30 bucks. Let's see how the color matches. I knew I'd need my scissors. And I got it in porcelain. Because I'm a fair girl. I'm a woman, damn it. I'm a fair woman. It's nice packaging. I've got a lot of foundations right now, so let's see if this is a match for old Rondi. It's really soft touch packaging. It looks very nice. It looks like it's going to get dirty right away. Ooh, taking a long time to pump up. Pump up the jam. Pump it up while your feet are bumping. That looks crazy. Oh, that looks wrong. That is the wrong color for me. No, thank you. That is like super yellow. No, thanks. This is gonna go... I don't know that I know anybody with this color skin. It's like Simpsons yellow. Alright. Another thing I'm not excited about. Next up is this. It looks really cool. It's got some hieroglyphics. And this is Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. Who is it from? What? Oh, it'll tell me on the card, Rhonda. It's Oma Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. This bestseller is now dripping in gold. Unique hourglass shape and shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume while nourishing formula, moisturizes and promotes lash growth. $19.50. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. I'm not going to open the actual mascara part because that starts the clock on the age of the mascara. And it can get all dried out. It is beautiful. It's a beautiful component. And I'll give it a try because I love mascara. And I have quite a mascara collection open right now. I have like 5 or 6 mascaras open right this minute. Next up we have from Ciate. Like we can't get enough Ciate in our freaking boxes. Velvet lip liner. And I don't use lip liner. And it says, achieve velvety soft lips with this liner. Soft, matte, intensely pigment formula glides effortlessly easily onto your lips to perfect, define, or reshape your lips. The perfect pout is just a stroke away. $18. All right. I have friends that use liners and stuff, but it's a really pretty color. That's a beautiful color. Not excited. Next. I'm sort of excited about that mascara so far, but everything else, not excited. From LYS, which is a great independent company. Excuse me. LYS Beauty Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Instantly awaken dull, uneven skin with this weightless, radiant boosting serum. That's sure to brighten and quench your skin's thirst, infused with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This face serum is the secret to supple, youthful looking skin. $28. That's not a bad price for a serum. It's neat packaging. There we go. It's got little cutouts. It feels pretty weighty. This is what gave my, oh, what a cool bottle. That's super cool. That looks really pretty. It looks mysterious and magical with the little swirls of shimmer in it. That's very cool. All right, I'm kind of excited about this, but how many serums do we get? A fuckload. And then from Dominique Cosmetics, which does not float my boat either. I did choose the LYS as one of my options for this box. This is the Unconditional Palette. Colors you'll adore for the moments you'll cherish. This palette includes 6 warm buttery shades ranging from rosy hues to rich burgundy with a mix of shimmers, mattes, and even a glitter finish. You can create endless looks for all the gatherings and fun events ahead. Ultra pigmented, super blendable, and perfect for those days and nights. $28. All right, let's see. I don't really care for the formula from Dominique that I've tried so far. It is a really pretty warm, neutral with a pop of berry palette. I'm not going to touch it. I might use it, but I've got a lot of things that look like this. This box is not really that great this month. So let's go over what we got. We got the palette. We got the serum. We got the liner. We got the mascara. Good, yay, mascara. And Uoma makes really good stuff. This terrible Simpsons color foundation. And a really old Huda Beauty lip. The value of the box is $144.50. I'm just not loving it. Not loving it. But, you know, every box can't be a winner. And I'm usually very positive about my boxes, but I don't even think people on Mercari would want a lot of the stuff that I have. So, this is my premium box. Forever may it rest in peace. Hopefully it'll be better next month. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.